Hello students, and welcome to the Eurekan Academy. Today we are going to be talking about how to reflect farm in Pyros. To start reflect farming in Pyros, you need to go to the level 41 teleporter, Carbonated Quarry. Begin by equipping the Reflect L action. This action is crafted by mixing Protect L, Wisdom of the Ordained and Shell L in the Logos Manipulator. Next, you want to make sure to boost your elemental experience gain by popping a Potion of Harmony. They are cheap to obtain from the market board. You can also see we have a fairy buff active on the character. Almost ready. The most important step is to reduce your defense. Start by removing all of your gear or equipping something level 1. The lower your defense is, the more damage you will reflect back at the enemies, which will kill them quicker. Likewise, be careful not to be in the defensive element. For example, if enemies are water, don't hold your magicite in water. Lastly, make sure you're far enough away from the enemies before you begin. In this location, you'll be safe if you start next to the teleporter. You're ready to begin. Use Reflect L and then run towards the enemies. Using Reflect again will pull aggro, and you can keep track of your reflect timer in your buff list. Keep using Reflect every 5 to 7 seconds to make sure you are reapplying it in time and draw aggro from the enemies as needed. Here you can run in circles to constantly keep your chain going. The method is quickest at level 42, doable until level 48, though it becomes slower the higher your level is. It is important to keep a close eye on your reflect timer and don't let it drop. You see here the player was a bit late with reflect application and the buff dropped for a second. That caused the player to die from just one enemy hit. Be mindful and don't take risks. This method is doable at a few more locations in Eureka. Note that some enemies have dangerous AoEs or reflect physical damage under specific conditions. For all such information, check the description. Thank you for watching this short video on reflect farming in Pyros, and we hope to see you again in the future. Class dismissed.